Good morning. Today we study set of zeros of polynomial function. If we have function f from R to R, where f of x equal x power 2 negative 3x plus 2. Find f of 2 and f of 1. To find f of 2, we replace each x in the function f of x with 2. Put x equal to 2 power 2 negative 3 times 2 plus 2. 2 power 2 equal 4. Negative 3 times 2 negative 6. 4 negative 6 plus 2. 4 minus negative 6 equal negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. So f of 2 equals 0. To get f of 1, we replace x with 1. 1 power 2 negative 3 times 1 plus 2. 1 power 2 equal 1. Negative 3 times 1 negative 3 plus 2. Therefore, f of 1 also equals 0. So 2 and 1 are zeros of the function f of x. So z of f is called set of zeros of function f of x. Therefore, z of f equals the set of 2 and 1. If we want to find the set of zeros of any function, we must put the function equals 0. So we deduce that to find set of zeros of any function, we must put f of x equals 0. For example, find z of f for the function f of x equal 2x negative 6. We must put f of x equals 0. Therefore, 2x minus 6 equals 0. This is a first degree equation. How we can find the solution set of first degree equation? Negative 6 tends to the other side with opposite sign, so 2x equals 6. Dividing 2 for the two sides, x equals 3. If we put x equals 3 in the function, put x equals 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 times 6 equals 0. So z of f equals the set of 3. Example, find z of f of the following functions. Number 1, f of x equal 5. Find the values of x that makes the function f equal 5. Put x equal 1, the function is 5. Put x equal 0, the function is 5. Put x equal 1, the function is 5. So there is no value of x that makes this value of the function equals to 0. Therefore, z of f equals 5. Number 2, f of x equals 0. Put x equal 1, the function equals 0. Put x equal negative 1, the function is 0. Put x equal any value of x, the function must be equal 0. So z of f equal all real numbers. Number 3, f of x equals x power 2 negative 9. Put f of x equals 0. Therefore, x power 2 negative 9 equals 0. By factorizing difference between two squares. Difference between two squares, there is product between two brackets. X power 2 equals x times x. 9 equals 3 times 3, negative, positive. We divide x negative 3 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0. From x minus 3 equals 0, therefore x equals 3. For x plus 3 equals 0, we tend x to the other side with negative sign. Z of f equals 3 and negative 3. If you put x equals 3 in this function, 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Also negative 3. Negative 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Number 4. F of x equal x power 2 plus x plus 1. We must put f of x equals 0. Therefore, x power 2 plus x plus 1 equals 0. This function is a trinomial function. The third term is 1. What is the factors of 1? That their sum is also 1. 1 times 1 equals 2. So, this trinomial not factorized. So, we use general formula to find the solution set. The general formula is negative v, positive or negative, square root b power 2, negative 4ac divided 2a. What is the meaning of a equal what, b equal what, c equal what? For the function, a equal coefficient of x power 2, b is coefficient of x, c is the absolute term. So, a equal 1, b equal 1, and c also equal positive 1. X equal negative b, negative 1, positive or negative, square root 1 power 2, negative 4 times 1 times 1 over 2 times 1. Negative 1, positive or negative, 1 power 2, 1, negative 4 times 1, negative 4, all equal square root negative 3 over 2. We get a square root of negative number. It is undefined. So, x is not belongs to R. So, z of f equals 4. If x belongs to R, we write the value of x as a solution set or as set of zeros. Number 5, f of x equal x power 6 negative 32x. We must put f of x equals 0. X power 6 negative 32x equals 0. This function must be factorized. We must take x as a common factor. X with a small power. X power 6 divided x power 1 equal x power 5. Negative 32x divided x equal negative 32 equals 0. X equals 0 and x power 5 negative 32 equals 0. x equals 0 is finished. X equals 0. For this exercise expression, x power 5 negative 32 equals 0. Turn 32 to the other side. X power 5 equals 32. We put 32 as base power 5. X power 5 equals 2 power 5. The base equal base, therefore power equal power. X equals 2. Set of zeros of the function f of x equals 0 and x equals 2. If we wanted to satisfy our answer, we put x equals 0 or 2 in the function. Put x equals 0, 0 power 6 equals 0, 32 times 6 equals 0, 0 minus 0 equals 0. So the function at x equals 0, the function equals 0. 2 power 6 negative 32 times 2, 2 power 6 equals 64, minus 32 minus 2 times 2 equals 64, 64 minus 64 equals 0. F of x number 6, f of x equal x power 2 plus 4. We must put f of x equals 0. So x power 2 positive 4 equals 0. We can factorize. What is the name of this expression? Sum of two squares. We have a factorize of sum of two cubes? No. Of two squares, sorry? No. Put positive 4 to the other side. X power 2 equal negative 4. By taking a square root for the two sides, and we must put positive or negative. X equal positive or negative square root negative 4. Negative square root of negative number, it is undefined. So we can't find the value of x, satisfy this relation to get f of x equals 0. So z of f equals 5. Now we finish the explain of this lesson, set of zeros of polynomial function. We can solve exercise page 20. Homework, exercise 2.1, page 20. We will put the solving of this exercise after you try to solve this homework. With my best wishes.